Break ID number 1701. 2017 Topps High Tech Baseball 1-box break. So here's the alphabetical list. And do it. See you later, Pat. Thank you. Hey, Ralph. I assume that's you. And there you go. Hey, Johnny. Are you familiar with breaks? You buy a spot, and there's the same number of spots available as there are teams. Once all the spots are filled, we randomize all of the people who bought in, and they get a team at random. And then we open a box, and every team in that box that you got in the randomizer is yours. High tech. All you need to do is go to mainsportscards.com, sign up for an account, and you can purchase right there at the site. Gold, Paul Goldschmidt to 25. Goldschmidt. Noah Syndergaard to 250. Arenado to 99. Blacked out Ichiro. Blacked out Pinder. Blacked out Carrasco. And the first auto, Michael Fulmer. On card to Detroit. Greg, M.I. Oh, love this one. Francisco Lindor. Gold parallel on-card auto to 25. Cleveland, Jim D.O. Nice card. Blacked out Springer. All right, that's it for that one. Boy, I like those cards.